Welcome to Top Cars TV. Today, we're immersing ourselves in one of the most focused production hypercars ever. This is the Chiron Pur Sport, a performance-driven evolution of the legendary Chiron, limited to just 60 units. (2026) Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport engine and acceleration, brutal precision under the hood. Bugatti's 8.0L quad-turbocharged W16, producing 1,500 PS, almost equals 1,479 HP, and 1,600 Nm torque, with peak available from 2,000 to 6,000 RPM. A shorter 7-speed DCT gearbox, with 15% tighter gear ratios, raises the rev limit to 6,900 RPM, shaving 0.1s off acceleration to 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.3 seconds. Rolling to 200 km per hour in 5.5 seconds, 300 km per hour in 11.9 seconds, with top speed limited to 350 km per hour to favor handling over pure top speed. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport chassis and aerodynamics, track-tuned finesse extensive lightweight measures trim 50 kg, magnesium, aero blade, wheels, a fixed rear wing, titanium exhaust, and Alcantara interior, enhancing feel and agile response. Suspension is significantly stiffer, plus 65% at front, plus 33% rear, plus negative camber of 2.5 degrees, sport-tuned dampers, and carbon fiber roll bars deliver lat grip improved by up to 10%. Combined aerodynamic upgrades produce significant downforce for razor-sharp precision at speed. 2026 Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport driving experience, controlled ferocity. Bugatti's ESC Sport Plus mode allows controlled drift angles while retaining stability, layered into modes like EB, Autobahn, and handling for tailored driving control. Without traditional sound insulation, the cabin reveals more of the turbo, wastegate, and W16 core sound, creating visceral mechanical engagement. (2026) Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport final verdict, precision over pace. The Chiron Pur Sport is sharp, committed, and purpose-built. Rather than chasing top speed, it refines agility, razor acceleration, and driver feedback. It transforms the Bugatti from grand touring missile to focused apex hunter. Would you take this over a simpler Chiron Sport or Super Sport version? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more collector-grade hypercar reviews on Top Cars TV.